Today we are diving into some advantages yet super subtle tips to help you get the most of your motorcycle. Whether you are a new rider or a seasoned pro, these 11 techniques can make a huge difference in your control, comfort, and confidence on the road. Ready to take your riding skills up a notch? Let's jump in. Tip 1. Mastering your body position in corners. When you're into a sharp turn, shift your body weight towards the inside of the corner and keep your upper body aligned with the lean angle. While leaning in slightly, you can keep your bike more upright, have better grip, which improves traction and stability, especially in tighter curves. This technique is crucial for keeping control in turns. Next up is throttle control. If you've been riding for a while, you know the importance of smooth throttle input. But it's worth emphasizing. Abrupt throttle changes can throw off your bike's balance. Instead, try gradually rolling the power as you exit a turn. This keeps your tires planted and gives you a better control, especially in wet or loose conditions. Tip 3 is all about contour steering. It might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty intuitive. To initiate a lean, just press forward the handlebar in the direction you want to go. If you're turning right, press on the right handlebar. To go left, press left. Contour steering gives you a much faster, more precise turn and is essential at higher speeds. It is a game changer for handling corners with confidence. Trail braking is more advanced technique, but it's worth practicing. As you approach a turn, start with gentle braking, then slowly ease off as you enter the corner. By carrying a bit of brake into the turn, you keep more weight at the front tire, which gives you extra traction. This helps you maintain control and stay smooth through the curve. Just remember, practice trail braking in a controlled environment until you're comfortable. Next, let's talk about the peripheral vision. It's easy to get fixated on the road right in front of you, but try using your peripheral vision to scan your environment. This broader awareness helps you spot hazards sooner and keeps you one step ahead, especially in traffic or on busy roads. Your peripheral vision is key for safety and anticipation of the road. Emergency braking is one of the most essential skills to master, and regular practice makes this perfect. In safe space, practice bringing your bike up to a quick stop without locking the wheels. Start slow, then gradually build up the speed as you gain confidence. Knowing your bike's stopping power can be life-saving, giving you the reflexes to handle unexpected obstacles on the road. For this tip, let's talk about your body positioning during acceleration. When you accelerate especially hard, lean forward a bit and keep your elbow tucked. This reduces the wind resistance and helps keep the front wheel grounded. It's a simple adjustment, but it makes a big difference in stability, especially if you're riding at higher speeds, accelerating quickly. Tip 8 is often overlooked. 1. Checking your tire pressure. Low or high pressure affect traction and handling, especially during turns or braking. I recommend checking it regularly and keeping it at the manufacturer's recommended levels. Properly inflated tires gives you the best possible grip and makes the ride smoother overall. Let's talk about blind spots. Motorcycles can disappear in the blind spots of larger vehicles, so it's critical to stay aware of yours too. Always checking your shoulders, especially before changing lanes. Being diligent about blind spots keep you one step ahead in traffic and adds a layer of safety that every rider needs. And finally, create a safety bubble around you. This means leaving enough space between you and the vehicles in front, behind, and to the sides whenever possible. It gives you room to maneuver if you need to, like in cases of sudden stops or lane changes from other drivers. That safety cushion is essential, keeping your control of your bikes. Always respect the road's conditions and adapt accordingly. Alright riders, that wraps up today's tips. Remember, these are all small adjustments, but they can make a huge difference in your riding experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more riding content, and share with your friends who needs a refresher. Keep practicing, stay safe, and enjoy the ride. Catch you in the next video.